Good day, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Patriot. So, the South African government in August wants to do what they call a national dialogue. And quite interestingly enough, they want to spend 700 million rand on this national dialogue to discuss the problems in South Africa. Now it's, again, absolutely flabbergastingly stupid to think that you want to talk about the issues. Now, South Africa has seen committees upon committees upon committees trying to make South Africa better. And every single time these committees just spend a lot of time, spend a lot of money, and actually nothing gets done. Now, it's very simple. South Africa has got a list of problems. One of them being crime. Okay, so we need to resolve the South African police services. Phone Ian Cameron. Get him to do what he needs to do. He'll fix it for you within a couple of months. Ladies and gentlemen, we do not need to spend 700 million rand on having selected celebrities talking about the issues of South Africa. We have an unemployment rate. How do we resolve the unemployment rate? We need to grow the economy to resolve that. Ladies and gentlemen, you have got a mastermind called Davie Rood that will tell you exactly what to do. And I promise you, if Cyril asks Davie Rood to do it for mahala, for free, he'll probably do it because he loves South Africa. I am absolutely flabbergasted. BEE, it's simple. Cut BEE, get BEE out of the system, and you'll see investments will flood into South Africa. It will flood into South Africa. And then obviously corruption. Corruption within the government. Unfortunately, are they going to have a dialogue, a national dialogue on TV, telling us that they're going to arrest their own people for corruption? No, definitely not. Because within Parliament are some of the most corrupt individuals you'll ever see. I mean, just from the top of my head, I'm thinking of the EFF who looted VBS Bank. VBS Bank that looked after black people's investments. That for some reason the EFF got rich off. And so many other people got rich off VBS Bank. South Africans know what the problem is. Talking about it, having a dialogue and spending 700 million rand on this dialogue is not going to resolve South Africa's issues. We need to physically do stuff to fix South Africa. We need to get rid of corrupt people. And unfortunately, Parliament members are the most corrupt because they are some of the beneficiaries of BEE. So BEE will also not go. So smoke and roses and nothing is going to change. And South African taxpayers must just be happy to spend another 700 million rand on a dialogue. Well, this video costed me absolutely nothing, and we already gave you solutions to various problems and issues. What a circus, ladies and gentlemen. South Africa is a fucking circus. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.